Hello everybody, this is Nora and I am jumping right on to my swatch video here for you with 5 Madam Glam, 5 different colors from Madam Glam, all from the One Step Gel collection. The first one that you see here is this beautiful seafoam called Love in the Mist, and it's a beautiful cream color. I did 2 coats for each color and cured them in 30 seconds. They all cured 30 seconds for each coat under my LED lamp. This second one is Lavender Verbena, another beautiful color, and this one has little shimmer glitters in there, so silver glitters mixed in with the formula. Beautiful, beautiful color. And like I said, I did 2 coats for each one of them on the nail tips. This third one, this green one, it's a beautiful bright green. I love it. Chartreuse is the name. And this one also has itty bitty, not as noticeable as the lavender, but it does have a shimmer to it. It's not a solid cream. Beautiful finish. This next one that you see here is a beautiful bright yellow. On this nail, on the sample tips, I did only 2 coats, but when I applied this to my own nails, because of my noticeable white tips, I did 3 coats for this one. Bun Bun Yellow, and this one is just a true cream. And here there is all the 4 colors. The 5th one that I have is a topper, and it's called Rollin' Rollin'. So these are gorgeous holographic. It has holographic hex and pipes. You will see me with a clear formula. There are those holographic glitters, gorgeous. So yes, I went ahead to swatch it. I went ahead and swatched over the nail tips, over each one of the colors here. And it could be a little bit cumbersome on application here. It's one of those that you kind of have to place them. So just for the sake of the swatching, and you may sponge this, but you will want to finish it again, going over the entire nail with itself and to finish it off, because remember, it's the one step, so you do not need a base coat and top coat. You can finish it off with this and then you'll be fine, and you'll have ultimate shine, and it ends the finish glossy. So here's all 5 colors, or the 4 colors with the topper, beautiful holographic glitter. So I will leave you with the rest of the video. Enjoy the photos, and I did some fun nail art for each one of the swatches. I'd like to thank Madam Glam for sending me these beautiful polishes to play with and review. Remember that I will have a link down below to where use my 30%. I do have a 30% off code where you can apply it on Madam Glam, and I will have that show here on the screen as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.